Ya umugavana bwe kaunti ya Nyamira Mheshimiwa Amos Jaribo nigabekire emeroberio wetera serikali ya kaunti yogo cyakone kyabuna bunenjire mu yogo sira kisemya se cy'isukuru aho nigachakire umuroberio bokone kyakubwato kendagere go cyasaboro ase cy'isukuru anemono erongori eyura chikobokonya aborwa bukwegendera se kisemi cyabo tambe na boigo kira rituko nigarenge ko yakwane gasomo igoyo mu bugo cengera amasomo yogo korekana kiro mwaka oyene kiwase bungeria ya Kitutu Masaba na boigo oikeraniwa nigati yabarai au kuruwase kaunti yo unagotoma nyumuri Polycarp Okara
naso musangerekano yigaho baretamo abarokigwa abalimu nabigo nabarai kuruwase chinsemo aho imeye kaunti ya Nyamira kucengera rituko lya amasomo eliye kaunti ya Nyamira begetensemo kucengera kero mwaka bunenchire ya muyo gusegeta chisukuru na boigo nabalimu aho kubekomokya.
The Ministry of Education is implementing the development of schools infrastructure in Nyamira County project with the support of the Kuwait Fund for Arab Economic Development from the Republic of Kuwait. This project is benefiting 23 primary and 44 secondary schools through the establishment of new facilities such as classrooms, laboratories, dormitories, and ICT apps. This project is ongoing.
Kukwanekerekyo mujumbe webunga ya Kitutu Masaba Muske Claifumba Nigisairo nigalire iranga inseje kiganja gya CDF nachikonyara kobaga kogendera gusira chisemi asoko bwatoka jibasane na bwego koro isi ebirasi munenchira ya mojogo kinya masomo kurwase ebunga ya Kitutu Masaba eyure yemo yabo ime ye county ya Nyamira.
Over the last 2 years we have made significant investments from classrooms, ablution blocks, libraries, dormitories, security and others. This includes, but not limited to, 55 new classrooms, 66 classrooms renovated, 121 classrooms furnished with lockers and chairs, 36 door latrines.
Asomo sangerekano yigabo igomo gavana bwe county ya Nyamira Muske Amos Nyaribo igalire iranga nazikonyara kobago cyakira etamwe gocha kubwatoka erongoli go cyasabana abe class kirya ECD nenchire ya moyo kurwose geto na bwigo konyara koba kako omwesabo ibuli abo bagende ko bakonyolenga jenene kubwatakana monenchara.
We have taken that step to feed all our 30,000 students with a cup of fortified uji every day.
Boigo Nyaribo nigagende ko bagoteba buna igo arachinyara ko bakomenta ebisabwa gucyase amasomo yekisukuru cy'obubundia eliyo kunyaraka baga komo y'abana bange kwebundisa chikose chiranyaraka bajiko bakonya samatuko alibosio.
Make sure that the education continue improving as our county will continue building pre-unity classes every year, and also we have increased the funding for TVETs and the county polytechnics.
Igingo ripota rigataseni kya uwanjete kya gatembe kuriga ime ya kaunti ya Nyamira inchego ngoro kwa Polycarp Okara.